Avocados and bananas, probably the two easiest items to make for baby food because you don't have to cook them. So you want to wash your avocado. You're not going to eat the skin, but you're cutting into the skin with your knife. And then you're going to go ahead and cut the flesh so that dirt from the skin can go onto the flesh. So make sure you wash it. I usually use half an avocado at a time. Avocados can be pretty filling. So you could just mash this up if your baby could handle that. My guy doesn't have teeth yet, so I'm going to puree it. In the blender, just the avocado, a little formula breast milk, filtered water. Now I add a little more liquid to the avocado so it's not too thick. See, it's still pretty thick after all that liquid. Avocados tend to be thicker, so you could always add more liquid too when you reheat it or right before serving. That's it. You saw how quick and easy that was. Homemade avocado baby food.